10:30. Nanti 10:30. Now it's 10:30 right? Oh, just finish ah. Okay, come. Hey, follow mommy from behind. So hot. Next time buy shades for you, okay? Yeah. Hey, later mommy open for you. Hold on.
Adik stand one side here. Jadi you follow kakak. Adik over here.
You stay with mommy. Okay? Yeah. Take out by if you can lah. Mommy don't want. Look at eating you. They come keep feeding others. Later the other goats hungry. Dosa. He's so hungry. He's so hungry. Come, I hold one of it, Tasha. So easier for you. The goat won't attack you lah. They're inside. Ada block the way. You're blocking the way. Come now, walk with daddy, Yam.
It's okay.
Daddy one.
Take video of him, Daddy. Of him. Why, kakak? Kakak hold properly, okay? It's gonna drop.
Hold properly. Hold like this.
Hold the middle where Daddy is holding. Higher, higher. Your hand higher. Yes. Okay, the plastic.
Alright.
Masuk.
Nah, good. Eat. Kak, in front of the kakak. You're blocking the way. Ah, you hold this one. Just stay inside. Nah, it's okay. You can feed them like this. Put him down lah. Yeah, come to daddy, yeah. Daddy.
I just said mommy put inside here, okay? Dah. Okay. Wanna go with Dada?
There's so many goats.
Go with Dada?
Mommy. And can someone help me with extra food?
Kakak, you need to stop holding here. Hold here. Hold here. Nanti jatuh. Come, kakak, you can follow mama if you want.
Come, yeah, feed some over there. I'm hungry also.
I'm gonna feed you.
Wait. Sabar. The plastic.
Now hold daddy, yeah. Hold.
Daddy, just hold only. Hold the plastic only.
Yeah. Don't point. You have until there, girl.
Wait, come. You want to move forward and all the way in? Come on.
Hold like this lah.
Kakak kan?
Wait lah, no space boy. Hey, the goat so cute, like baby. See, look how they look. Hold. Yeah, good job. Okay, let's find some more food. Good job. Some more food kan? Good job. Good job. Good job. You all feed them or you eat?
I eat also.
See how adik feed kan?
Nak beli lagi pun boleh.
Wait, are you sure we can pick up?
Good job.
Tengok dia kecil lah.
Good job, my boy. Hi. Okay, now you take one from the floor and feed them. Can take one from the floor.
This one adik.
Just take
Okay,
this.
just put inside. Just drop it inside.
Aduh.
Look mama. Mana? Just put inside also can.
You dropped on the
Eh?
goat's head.
Macam berdarah tu dia.
Yeah. Yeah, feed the goat. Kat, you just take the stick. Don't take the daun all.
Just drop it. Kita later wash hands, okay?
Seems like it's going on the goat's body.
You all still want to stay here? Oh, sana lagi. Sana boleh pergi?
Cannot.
Boleh lah.
Cannot.
No, ada bridge tu.
It's blocked.
If you all ready, then we move on, okay? Okay, mau nak ambil lagi?
Take kawan.
Dia nak feel like, okay, if you spend longer here, then you won't really be able to spend longer at the fish farm. So you gotta choose one. So we spend maybe 10 more minutes here.
Yeah, you feed that goat, right? Good job.
Yeah.
Huh? Together with daddy. Come. Together with daddy. Yeah?
Together, you can hold daddy's hand. Hold daddy's hand. Yeah, see like this. Together, daddy. Yay!
Good job, Noah.
Good job. Okay, see kakak stand. Kakak, you can do it. Come, hold hands together.
I'm gonna eat.
Good job, kakak.
Good job, kakak. Good job, good.
I mean, the goat is trying to unlock her.
Yeah, and they can be very clever, you know. Because my school trip, right, one of the goats actually escaped. And she forgot that everyone saw.
Mommy must crave it. Don't get the goat back inside the cage.
And you got one long stick, I can feed them.
Ada orang kat belakang.
Yeah, move first. Okay, feed. Bah. Okay, come. After that, can follow mommy.
One of the goats tried to take away the food from the other goat.
Zid. Can you take away my daughter?
Hey.
Don't block the way. Don't block the way, kakak.
And if you stay here longer,
Oh, see that goat is injured. The head got black.
let's stay here longer. Wanna go already?
Which goat got injured?
Here. Oh no.
Are we leaving already?
Don't know. Maybe he's tired, sick. keep walking to mommy there. Say hi to the goat. Okay, you can feed them here. Come. I give you one long one. Let go. Nah. Come, with daddy, hold my hand. Yeah, come. Jonathan. Hi. Come follow mommy ya. Hold my hand, hold my hand. Say hi, good.
Emil.
Ui, rasanya.
No.
Okay, come, we go there. Go here. Hey, here, better. Here. Kesannya kurang. Hiduan. Now we let kakak finish the rest, okay? Is it? Yalah, all there the well fed
Yeah,
one.
go there. The mama carry you, we go inside.
Meh.
Daddy jalan, daddy all the way inside. Wait, dengan dia. Come.
What is good doing?
Who say cannot come here just now?
Don't know. Come, now feed the girl.
No.
To screen.
Don't say.
Go, come.
Okay, dah. Bye-bye.
Let's go get some ice cream. Soy, no ice cream for you. Careful the goat. The goat.
Why is that goat eating it? Look at that goat. That goat is sucking on the handwheel.
They want to suck on man.
Yeah. Honey.
Yes.